Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motorbish. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be a Honda Hornet. So here you can see this is all new look of BS6 Hornet. So Honda badge here. Coming to the headlights, first is first, running LED DRLs, nice treatment on design of in headlights. So this is somewhat dim at daytime, but it's nighttime it will be good view. So complete LEDs on headlights. So I like the special design treatment on this is this telescopic shock absorber. See the detail and color of this, so excellent and unique design, and see the copper color on this. But I like the mainly feature of this, see the detail lines, fingerprint lines on this. So very detailed and nice cross cutting and unique design. Concentration on telescopic shock absorber, very nice, and also performance is also very nice while driving. I will show you. And here you can see ABS, it is a single channel ABS, and the tire profile is 110 70 17 inches tires. These are 17 inches tires at the front, and this is disc brake of 276 of disc brake. Nice design, very cross cuttings, and this is single channel ABS. Alloy wheels also very nice and particular unique design I can say. So this is a disc brake of NISN. So this is a reflector. So here you can see the completely outlook of engine, but I think there should be covered by something plastics over here. It will be look somehow good. And this here you can see the malt at the nice. So this is quality is very cheap and low, but the design is very nice and cross cuttings on this. So blue color is very nice, blue and black treatment, and Honda badge here, chrome finishing. I like special feature is these indicators LEDs. So here you can see LED indicators. This is a side profile of Honda Hornet 2.0. So it's a 2.0, it's a new name for them. So here you can see the engine, black treatment on engine, paint finishing on engine. So 186cc engine this is. So Honda badge here and nice treatment. Blue color is very nice. Here you can see the BS6 filter of silencer. So it is HET BS6 stickering here 2.0 again. Here stickering is nice and very aggressive design on the stickering also we can say. So there is a red colored single monopoly shock absorber rear, 7-way adjustable. So this is a front foot pegs and rear brake. So here you can see the silencer, dual tone treatment, and it's a matte black finishing treatment. And coming to the rear, this is a red tire, and the profile of the tire is 40 70 17 inches tires. Again front and the rear are the same 17 inches tires, and profile is somehow high. Here you can see completely grab finishing and very nice treatment. Sorry for dusty of vehicle now. Here is a brake oil of the rear. So this is a 220 of disc brake rear, and again same alloy wheels. So coming to the back, here you can see I think it's completely like X-Blade and Hornet has the same design of tail light, and also we can say as Hero Extreme same design. So but that is LEDs on other treatment, but this is a bulb. I don't know, definitely it is a bulbs or LEDs. It look like LEDs only, but it's a bulb, and nice treatment of rear. And I like the LEDs on indicators. Coming to here, there is no side guard, and this is a chain system. So here you can see, but I like the one treatment is cover of the chain. In the rainy season it will be somehow not so difficult, and it will be easy to clean and maintenance the chain. So coming to the pillion seats, splitted pillion seats. So nice, and cushion is very nice, and these are the grabs of pillion seats, very nice and unique design. Coming to the out, see the design of pillion holders. So this is the driving position. The driving position is stiffer side, so when you are driving the hands should be like straight forward. So this is a Hornet badge here, and legs, see the cross cuttings, and leg will be fit exactly in this. So nice design like this. So this is a front foot pegs and rear. There is no rubber finishing on rear foot pegs. Coming to the tank, so Honda logo again here, fuel lid here, and for protection and something instruction on the fuel tank. So here is a placement, easy to put and remove. Nice treatment on the key placement here. Horn is decent, indicators, high beam and low beam, and handlebars are wide enough. So on the other side, engine kill switch, parking indicators, and the self start button. Key placement is here. Here you can see key placement like FZ, and it's also we can say as tough competition to the FZ and FZS etc. So coming to the instrument cluster, there is so slow swipe and completely swipe on the instrument cluster, very small but all the features are fixed in it. So here you can see high beam and low beam, ABS single channel indication, neutral meters, engine heat up. So this is RPM meter, speedometer, odometer, trip A, trip B, and fuel indication, gear indication, completely fixed in a single what we call as simple and instrument cluster in it. Trip A, trip B, kilometers per liter. So it's odometer. Time on the instrument cluster, very nice feature. And here you can see the front telescopic shock absorber. Here you can see both came at the height. This is a side profile of Honda Hornet 2.0. It's a 186cc engine and very good performing, and it's a tough competition in the market at this price segment. So there are many bikes, Suzuki Gixxer and Hero Extreme, many other Duke 125. There are many other bikes in the market to give a tough competition at this segment. This is a bike of Honda Hornet walk around video. So blue, there are nice colors on this treatment, I will show you. So completely very aggressive and very sporty look. It is, see the headlight of front, very aggressive. So let's now start the engine sound and listen the silencer sound. Very silent and refined engine, BS6 engine. As compared to the old sound only as Honda made from the first generation to till today. So it is refined engine, but the sound of the silencer is, engine sound is also the same, I can say. It has maintained like that. So very nice treatment and very silent engine, BS6. This is a walk around video of Honda Hornet. Let's go to test drive and see how it is performing. So let's start, and now I'm in the first gear. RPM at 40 speed, 7000 RPM at 50 speed. Not so punchy or compared to the same bikes comparison as FZ and Honda, as Hero Extreme and Suzuki Gixxer. So overall it is nice, not so bad, not so average also, more than average I can say at this price segment, and nice performance. So it is 186cc engine, and let's see the turning radius without keeping legs down. Very, radius is very nice, short radius, you can easily maneuver it, and seating position is stiffer side. Here you can see my handlebars very stiff, and position of the driving position is also very stiff to drive, and it is also somewhat different and typical side, and this is variety of seating position. So nice performance. So it is raving very good, and mileage is also very nice. Fuel capacity of this bike is 12 liters. The mileage is 45 kilometers per liter, and it is 186cc engine, and it has 18.2 bhp of power at 8600 rpm and 16.2 newton meters of torque at 6000 rpm. So nice performance, punchy performance as Honda said. Refinable engine, BS6. So brakes are too good. It has single channel ABS, so missing out some more dual channel ABS on the other side. Side view mirrors are large enough, good view and good design. Side view mirrors are almost same to all the bikes of Honda. So suspension is very nice. I like that front telescopic shock absorber of design, and also performance of the front suspension, and rear has a monopoly shock absorber. So seating position is different and typical side. So overall good performance, not disappointed me as Honda Hornet. And clutch as a wet clutch, and gear sound is, I like the gear sound, very smooth gears. I like the gearbox of this Honda Hornet 2.0 BS6, very nice, very smooth shifting gears, and clutch is also very nice, accelerator is very nice, brakes are too good, suspension is nice, performance overall good I can say. Colors also very nice on this bike. vibrations are somehow on the other side, vibrations. So on the foot pegs, front foot pegs, vibrations are somehow, it's not a big issue, nothing much as compared to the Honda Dio. So it is less than that bike. And overall this bike is based on only on accelerator and torque. So as see, if we give a throttle, from the second of giving a throttle, it is performing very nice. The type of drive it is based, and overall good punchy performance. And it is a 5-speed manual transmission and 60 mm of bore and 62 mm of stroke. So both the brakes are disc brake, 17 inches tires. Mid range is very nice and low range is also very nice compared to high. So once again, let's give a throttle and see. So now I'm in the first gear. See the performance, very nice. So but not compared to Suzuki Gixxer. The Gixxer is made excellent and 200cc, but only 15cc here and there both the bikes. But that performance is awesome. I can say it based on completely clutch, and this based on completely torque. So there is no comparison of both the bikes. I like the Suzuki Gixxer and I am the fan of that. So in this segment, and FZ is also very good performing. It is also very silent engine. So if you like Honda engines, very silent refinable engine, if you have a trust on Honda, definitely you can go to Honda Hornet 2.0. So there is no doubt in that. Unique aggressive design and compared to all the bikes. So let's see how BS6 performs and rating. So it has comparison ratio of 9:5:1. It is a walk around and test drive video of Honda Hornet 2.0. If you till not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon, and please share to your friends, and follow me on Instagram, link in the description. So if you want to buy a Honda Hornet 2.0, please visit Erragada showroom of Hyderabad in Honda. So you get amazing and excited offers. So please subscribe to my channel and show to them you get the best discounts on this bike. So thank you so much for watching.